Welcome to Floral Gossip, my most favourite part of the workshop. Now to my left here I've got the very popular Easter daisy. Easter's coming up, and guess what? This cut flower is making a bold statement. Now it is a cut flower that's making a really big comeback. Very desirable and favourites when it comes to your grandmas. It brings her back to her garden where she used to grow a lot of it. So if you've got a grandma or someone who's elderly in your life who is suffering from dementia, I strongly advise you to give them a flower that they used to have in their garden, and this certainly was very popular back in the day when grandma was once upon a time a lot more youthful and young. Easter daisy is predominantly used as a salt and pepper, as a filler when it comes to your radial arrangement, front view arrangements, your posies, your bouquets. It's a long-lasting cut flower, and it is relative to the chrysanthemum. Definitely they're cousins, sunflowers, they're cousins, so something to keep in mind. I hope you've enjoyed today's weekly tip, because I certainly have, and I hope you have too.